So the components of the edger, we'll start with the top. This is your emergency stop. Pull it out to activate the machine. Run into problems. Push it in, machine stops. Next to it, we have the battery LED. Green is good. Amber means you still have some charge. Red means you got to stop the machine and plug it in. If you run it while it's in the red, you're going to damage the motor, and we don't want that. Right here is the handle. This is what you hold on to when you're running the machine. Below it, the red is the stop-start switch. This will start or stop if you let it go the edger blades, and if you run into trouble and slip or fall or whatever the case may be, it acts as a dead man switch and turns off as soon as it's let go. We'll keep moving down a bit. You'll see right here is the cutting depth gauge, and it's actuated by this lever. The more you pull the lever back, the deeper it's going to cut. Here is our transport handle. It's currently set into transport position. You pull on it and it'll drop the machine down into cutting position. From transport, push it forward and it turns back. Next to it here is the blade angle adjust. Turn it this way, the machine's going to cut a deeper angle into the ice. You turn it to the negative, it's going to cut less of an angle into the ice. Right here is the charging dock where you plug in the charger to charge up the edger. Here's the coupler. This just connects the circuits from the batteries up into the control area. Right here's the handle adjust. Right here, it lets you move this up and down. So you give her a turn, and you can raise the handle up, or you can take it right out if you need to put it away for storage. And that again is all controlled right here. Next part of the machine, right down here, click on this little red piece and it drops into cutting position. You can see they come up. If you want to take the machine off the ice, you just push back down on it and the machine tires will come back down. And away you go again. Moving over here, this is our board bar. So if you want to cut another path away from the boards, you just slide this out, tighten these up, and that'll let you cut a path a distance away from the boards. Or if you want to get nice and tight, slide it right in, tighten her up. This piece right here, now that the hood is off, this is our electric motor. This is what spins our blades. Here's our batteries. These are sealed batteries, and you can't spill them, so you don't need to worry about tipping the machine on its side. They won't leak acid out. It's all good. Here's the machine key. Turn it clockwise to turn it on. Counterclockwise turns it off. This is the blade guard adjuster right here. It's adjusted by turning this. And basically what it does is that it sets how close the blade cuts to the puck board, or how far it is. If you set it too close, you're going to grind away some puck board from the blades, which are right down here. Moving on, you can see the front transport area. Swivel tires. This is what helps you move the machine when you're in transport mode. When you drop it down, these wheels will start spinning on the ice. And basically the last part that we can show you is just the protective hood that normally covers this area here, and on each side are just clips that lock the hood in. And that are the main components of an electric edger.